one of the important truth you have never been told is yoga cannot be separated from Hinduism. It cannot be separated. Dilution is sampradaya droha. Understand? Dilution is sampradaya droha. All of you understand. People ask me, Swamiji, who is the real yogi, from where we should learn? How do we know which is authentic yoga? I am clearing all these doubts and questions once for all today. Understand? Even as simple as sitting in Padmasana to as complicated as swallowing 6-meter cloth and cleaning your intestine, everything is described with tremendous precision, clarity, with tremendous accuracy by Sadashiva directly in Yogapadas of Agamas. There is enough of detailed. I wanted to insist on this word, detailed description, including the yoga postures and breathing methods, pranayama, kriya. A detailed manuals are available, written directly by Sadashiva. Understand? People who are afraid of the power of Hindu tradition always try to put our valuable knowledge as myth. They try to classify the valuable knowledge as myth. Only a person who has become enlightened and practices can understand the difference between myth and subjective science. Sadashiva revealed all these scriptures is not myth, it is a subjective truth which can stand the scrutiny of any decent researcher. Constantly people try to tell yoga is not Hindu. I tell you, the moment you start Surya Namaskar, you are Hindu. You are living Hinduism. You are practicing Hindu. And the prerequisite of yoga is you believing your soul and you need to unite with it. The belief you are a sinner cannot be forming the basis of yoga. Understand? To practice yoga, the fundamental necessity is you believing your consciousness and you have to become one with it. Not you are a sinner and you need salvation. No. So the moment you bend your body for yoga, you are practicing Hindu.